Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Inside the box, you will find the Fire TV Stick, a remote control, and an HDMI extension cable. Locate your TV and an available HDMI port on the back or side. Plug the Fire TV Stick into the HDMI port. If the port is difficult to reach, you can use the HDMI extension cable to connect the device more easily. Next, connect the included power adapter to the Fire TV Stick using the USB cable. Then, plug the power adapter into a wall outlet. Turn on your TV using the remote control. Select the correct HDMI input where the Fire TV Stick is connected. Once the Fire TV Stick powers on, you will see the welcome screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your remote control with the device. To pair the remote, press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds until you see a confirmation on the screen. Connect your Fire TV Stick to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password using the on-screen keyboard. If prompted, sign in to your Amazon account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, you may be asked to set up parental controls based on your preferences. Wait while the Fire TV Stick updates with the latest software. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. After the update is complete, the Fire TV Stick will show personalized recommendations. You can choose to install popular streaming apps like Prime Video, Netflix, or Hulu. Follow the prompts to download and set up any desired applications. Once the apps are installed, you can access them from the main menu. To customize your homepage, you can rearrange the apps as needed. Explore the settings to adjust preferences for display, sound, and privacy. Finally, familiarize yourself with the remote features, including voice control capabilities. Your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max is now set up and ready for entertainment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.